Is your mattress actually clean beneath the surface? Skin flakes, dust, and embedded debris sit deep in fabric layers. This ranking compares 5 bed vacuums by suction power, UV wavelength, heat output, and filtration strength. Stay until the final verdict. All the products link in the description. Let's get started. Number 5. Teant MV01 Cordless. Cordless 18 kPa suction with 33,000 taps per minute. The Teant MV01 delivers 18 kPa suction using a spiral roller producing 33,000 taps per minute to loosen embedded dust and debris. A 2,600 mAh times 5 battery pack supports up to 60 minutes runtime across 2 suction modes. The 0.5L dual cup system separates hair from fine dust to reduce clogging and maintain airflow consistency. A HEPA microfilter captures fine particles before exhaust release. The unit integrates 253.7 nanometers UVC light, ultrasonic waves, 149 degrees Fahrenheit heated airflow, and negative ion output for layered mattress care. UV activates only when both rollers contact fabric for safety compliance. An LED display monitors battery level and cleaning status in real time. Weighing 3.5 pounds, this cordless unit prioritizes mobility over sustained corded motor torque. Number 4. Feppo 500W Corded. 16 kPa corded suction with 140 degrees Fahrenheit heat drying. The Feppo mattress vacuum operates with a 500W motor delivering 16 kPa suction and 30,000 revolutions per minute high-frequency tapping. Corded power ensures stable suction without battery fade during extended cleaning sessions. The 253.7 nanometers UVC system pairs with 40,000 Hz ultrasonic vibration for deep fabric penetration. A gravity sensing mechanism disables UV exposure when lifted from the surface. The 140 degrees Fahrenheit heated airflow reduces fabric moisture and supports faster drying. Multi-layer HEPA filtration captures 99.97% of particles down to 0.3 microns. A 7-inch suction inlet increases surface coverage per pass. Weighing 3.8 pounds with a 16.4-foot cord, it supports large mattresses without frequent repositioning. Not designed for heavy pet hair removal according to manufacturer limitations. Number 3. Jigoo J300. 13 kPa suction with live dust sensor feedback. The Jigoo J300 operates with 500W corded power and 13 kPa suction optimized for embedded fabric debris rather than hard floors. A live dust sensor displays a color-coded cleaning index, turning green when surface particles decrease. UVC light, ultrasonic waves, and 130 degrees Fahrenheit heated airflow assist in loosening and drying mattress fibers. Dual cup filtration separates coarse debris from fine dust to preserve suction stability. The 16-foot cord enables continuous coverage across large bedding surfaces without recharge delays. Noise output measures 80 dB during operation. Designed primarily for mattresses, sofas, and fabric surfaces, the system emphasizes visible cleaning confirmation over maximum suction output. Number 2. Byhume 17 kPa 650W. 650W motor with 80,000 revolutions per minute brush rotation. The Byhume mattress vacuum features a 650W motor delivering 17 kPa suction paired with an 80,000 revolutions per minute high-frequency tapping brush. The widened 8.4-inch suction port improves pass efficiency across pillows and cribs. The system integrates 273 nanometers UVC light, ultrasonic waves, and 145 degrees Fahrenheit heating for multi-layer mattress treatment. A safety sensor disables UV when lifted or tilted beyond 5 degrees. Dual cyclone filtration combines stainless steel mesh, HEPA filter, and sponge layers to capture 99% of fine particles. Weighing 3.9 pounds, it remains stable during prolonged corded use. Designed for users prioritizing high brush agitation speed and layered filtration over cordless mobility. Number 1. CFBF Mattress Vacuum Cleaner. Balanced 16 kPa suction with 30,000 revolutions per minute tapping. The CFBF mattress vacuum uses a 500W motor delivering 16 kPa suction combined with 30,000 revolutions per minute roller vibration to dislodge dust and skin flakes. A 253.7nm UVC system and ultrasonic function target embedded contaminants within mattress fibers. The 140 degrees Fahrenheit heated airflow assists in moisture reduction and fabric drying. A dual-cup cyclone system paired with HEPA filtration captures 99.99% of tiny particles while minimizing clogging. Noise output measures approximately 75 dB. The 0.6 L dust cup and 16.4-foot cord support extended coverage across beds and sofas. Overheat protection automatically shuts down the unit during extended continuous use. Designed for balanced suction performance with stable corded power delivery. Which one should you buy? Best overall power, product number 2, 650W motor, 17 kilopascals suction, and 80,000 revolutions per minute brush deliver the strongest mechanical agitation here. Best for users prioritizing raw cleaning intensity over cordless convenience daily. Best filtration verified, product number 4. HEPA captures 99.97% of particles at 0.3 microns with gravity sensing UV safety. Best for allergy-sensitive households prioritizing verified clean exhaust air alongside suction. Best budget value, product number 1. 16 kilopascals suction, dual-cup cyclone filtration, and 99.99% particle capture at the lowest investment here. Best for first-time bed vacuum buyers needing reliable daily performance. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with others. All products by links in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos.